I'm excited to present to you our colours of the year for 2026. Yes, colours. Not one, not two, but three colours for 2026. Why three? Because we understand that colour is emotional and it's deeply personal.
These three beautiful blues are designed to work in different rooms, matching different moods. To help your customers choose confidently, we've created three unique colour collections.
In all three palettes, you will find all three blues. But one of the blues will be the hero colour. And in the slow palette, it's Slow Swing, which is the darkest of the blues. Almost reminds me of a midnight sky. And this is kind of the feel. It's somewhere to relax, be silent and be calm. Beautiful pairing with the other neutrals within this palette. So look at maybe using one or two of these colours and the other colours used for dressing the space. This is an amazing colour tool for. It's almost like having your own interior designer in your pocket. So it's a great tool to help customers create the whole look and feel. Introducing the free colour palette. The hero colour in here is Free Groove. This blue is a lot brighter and intense. It really does bring the joy and the energy to a space. Definitely matching it with the limes and the greens within here, it does create something quite vibrant. So if you're wanting an upbeat space, then this would be the one that I would suggest. Think about maybe other accessories to work with this colour. Because we've got some lovely fresh greens in here, greenery from the outside works beautiful with this, bringing the outside in and creating something quite joyous. Now with our flow colour palette, our lead colour is Mellow Flow. It's the palest, soothest colour of all of the blues. Here it's quite restful, paired with opposite colours on the colour wheel of the terracottas and earthy shades. It really does take us back to nature and the outside, thinking of the blues for the sky and the earthy shades for Mother Earth. So it's somewhere that we do feel quite cocooned and quite safe. They are comfortable, familiar colours, and especially when we layer them with those kind of materials in the space as well. So perfect as well for north-facing rooms that can feel quite cold. This brings in the warmth. We hope that you and your customers find the perfect rhythm of our Dulux Colours of the Year for 2026.